In the month of September, I was blown away. I was looking at my analytics. I try not to look often, but I was looking at my analytics weekly and I was like, no way, Jose. And I will tell you, September has been one of my best months in YouTube as it relates to views, as it relates to income, and I want to share that with you. If you want to know how much YouTube paid me for the month of September, I just got the check, then just go ahead and stay tuned. Let me tell you, it's the most money I have ever made from YouTube in 1 month, and I want to share a little bit of the details with you. If that is something that you are here for, then just go ahead and stay tuned. All right, besties, let's get the little stuff out the way. So if you are new here, welcome. My name is Budget Treasures, aka Jasmine, or however I say it. Y'all know I get a little flustered. It's nighttime, of course. And if you are new here, welcome. Here on my channel, I talk about all things finance with emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. If you are a returning bestie, hey girl, hey, sorry this video is 1 day late, but I'm about to get back on schedule. So yes, I gotta get it going again. So anyway, we're gonna jump into it. So I am also going to be budgeting. You guys know whenever you see this planner, the papers planner, that means that I'm also gonna be budgeting my side hustle income as well. I do have this out, which is my regular binder, my regular budget binder for my like paychecks and things, because I need to know how much money I need to pull out for debt. So I'm going to pull that to the side and we're going to get right into it because I know you guys are really wanting to know. September was a good month. Okay, let me tell you, September was off the chain and I want to hurry up so I can let you guys know how much I made. So we are in the month of October. Okay, and the money that I made in September got paid out to me in October. The money that I made in October for my side hustle, I pulled that out the same month in October. Okay, so I budget 1 month ahead, if that makes sense, because everything that I make this month is gonna have to pay for November's side hustle bills that I do have. And like I said, I'm using the Jessica Ann Papers Planner, and I am going to complete this section, and then I am going to come back. Let me see. Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. So I'm also gonna need to look over this a little bit. Oh, I made this all festive. Okay. I didn't know I made this festive, but I guess I did. So let me go over to November. I'm gonna complete this and then I'm gonna come right back, okay? Let's jump into it, besties. So I'm not going to go over all of this as far as my goals for my side hustles, because my goals are basically the same. I like to stick to things 3 months at a time to make sure that they're working, and I just think 1 month is not enough. So I'm not going to go into detail because they're basically the same as they were last month. If you want to know detail, you can pause the video and read. Okay, so for the word of the month, my scripture has changed. I am going to be really meditating on Mark 11:24. Therefore, I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. I am really in a time, in a season where I'm really trusting God to do something that I have never seen. I can't even imagine just, doing the crazy big thing for me in my life. And so I'm working on doing my part, which is being consistent, showing up, making sure that I am serving the community, the bestie community, in ways that's gonna make all of us better and touching lives. And so I'm doing my part, and I'm really trusting God to do his part in answering my prayers. So I am really going to be focused on defining what I want and defining my prayers and just defining what I want as a creator in this space. And so, yeah, enough about that. Because I know you guys are like, honey, we are here to see how much money you make. No, I'm just kidding. So these are the bills that I have. I have the same bills. I haven't added any bills as of yet. But I have some to-dos. And like I said, all of the money that I'm making here in October is going to pay for my side hustle bills in November. Then I'm going to have my third debt payment, which will happen on the end of November the 30th. Now over to the good stuff, what you are here for. So I am going to be sharing with you guys how much I made on YouTube for 323,700 views. My watch time was 37,300 views or watch time. And then I increased by 5,200 subscribers. And you're wanting to know, how much did YouTube pay me for that? Here we go. Can you see it? YouTube paid me $4,193.10. I have by far never been paid this much money from YouTube. The most amount that I had been paid in 1 month was, I think, about $2,400. So kind of doubled that a little bit almost. And so I want to say thank you so much for you guys watching my videos, subscribing, sharing, and really connecting with the community, because I could not have done this without you. So I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you 100%. And then the side hustle brought in $2,064.71. So once again, shout out to you guys for showing up and purchasing the products that I offer. I 100% hope that they're helpful to you in the journeys that you have for yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in all the rest of this, and then we're gonna kind of come back and talk about it. All right, so let's go over the budget. So I am going to be giving my tithes, which is basically 10% of what I brought in. So that's $625.79 in total. Epidemic Sound, $15. Stand Store, $29. TubeBuddy, $19.59. Flotus, $38. Canva, $12.95. And then mortgage, which is, of course, this is not my total mortgage, but if you guys know the whole story, where I have to pay an additional amount on my mortgage because of the taxes, yada, yada, yada. This is the additional amount. So that's $200. So the total is $940.33, and then what's left over is $5,317.61. So before you guys ask, because I know you are, because you guys love me and I love you guys too, and you're looking out for me, and I thank you so, so, so much. Taxes have not been taken out of this. Taxes will be taken out. Taxes will be paid. But for right now, like, just started making money. So I'm going to get the whole tax thing worked out and figured out. And so just FYI, I have not forgotten about taxes. Okay. So I just want to say that, because I do have some of the besties who are like, hey, bestie, look, get it together now, get them taxes right, and I feel you 100%, and that is 100% going to happen. So as it relates to debt, how much money I need to contribute to debt. So I am using my debt-free journey workbook to work through my debt. I'm trying to move this out the way so you guys can see. So I am which is right here. That's my YouTube sheet that I keep in here. Now this is the workbook, okay, for some of you guys who have not seen it before. And this is linked down below if you're interested in it, definitely. But, all right. We've already gotten past 3. The next debt to be paid in order is this Macy's. And I already checked the balance. And the total is $2,293.46 that I need to pay this off. And then the next debt in line would be the Capital One. To pay this off would be $2,890.66. So I'm working with $5,017.61. So let's see if I pay this total amount off. So we got 5,317.61. If I subtract 2293.46, that is gonna leave me with $3,024.15. And there's a couple of things that I need to do. If I take another 1,000 and put that towards Capital One, that's gonna leave me with $2,024.15 left. And let me see if that's gonna be enough. That should be okay. This is what we're gonna work with so far. So I'm gonna take the $2,293.46 and then another 1,000 towards debt. I'm gonna be putting $3,293.46. Whew, God is good. Let me tell you, He is good, 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 good. We're gonna do 5,317.61. I'm gonna subtract 3,293. Can y'all? Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is leaving with. I wish I can rip this out. This is the reason why I like to do that, because it makes it hard to kind of write at the bottom. I'll move that over so you guys can see. So left over, sorry, the writing's gonna look a little funky because my hand is off the book. 2024 and then 15 cents. Okay, and this is what we'll have left. And then for reward, I do plan on rewarding myself for my hard work. Yes. I paid off some debts before and I didn't reward myself. And partly because I had a birthday, and so I was able to get like some birthday gifts and things like that. So that's why I decided not to reward myself on that debt payment. But I do want to reward myself this time. I do want a bottle of perfume. You guys know me. And I think I talked about this in another video. Sephora is about to have their sale, and I would get 20% off of one of the bottles that I really, really want. And it's gonna be about $250 approximately for that bottle. And then their Macy's is having a sale as well, and I have a gift card for Macy's. So I would want to use my gift card and then put money aside for that. So for my reward, let's see, $250. So I'm just gonna put $250 for my reward so that I can get that bottle of perfume. And then for personal, I have a personal obligation that I need to take care of, and I will share that later. Not really comfortable sharing it right now. It's actually going to be a whole dedicated video around it, so that'll be a while. So I'm just, I am documenting the journey right now, and so once I'm comfortable with putting it out there, I will put it out there. So I'm just putting personal. So we got 250 plus 500 is giving us 750 left. No, it's not. That's 750 total. Hold up. Okay, 750. So we got 2024. 15 minus 750. Left we have 1274. 15. Now emergency is this is my emergency fund, and I do want to top this off and finish it, so I'm gonna be putting $300 towards emergency fund. And so if I subtract 300, that gives leftover 974.15. Now what I also am gonna need to do is I need to get my daughter a bed. So this will be the budget for her new bed, because she's gonna need one. This is pretty much the entire budget. I don't think that things will shift or change, but this is everything for now. YouTube paid me $4,193.10. I couldn't believe it. I was watching it like, no. I couldn't believe it. So anyway, thank you guys so much for just your engagement. And hats off to you guys for doing your thing. You guys are paying off some massive amounts of debt, and you guys are just doing it, okay? So that is pretty much it. I will be filming the debt payment video, should be coming up soon. And I think that is pretty much it. This planner will be linked down below. The debt payment the debt-free journey workbook will be linked down below as well. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave them down in the comments. I do have a question though. Would you be interested in a YouTube masterclass? Like for my besties who are like, hey, I want to start my YouTube channel, or you have already started your YouTube channel, but you're looking to grow on YouTube. If that is something that you would be interested in, if you could just leave a camera emoji down in the comments. I just kind of want to test it out and see, well, not test it out, but I just kind of want to poll everybody and see if that is something that you would want. But thank you guys so much for being everything. I will see you in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.